If you think fabulous hair is out of reach, think again. Universal Hair 2. Excel is about to change everything. We are thrilled to announce that Universal Hair 2 Excel is relaunching on November 8th, 2024. We're bringing you premium hair products designed to help you shine and feel like the queen you are. Our relaunch is all about top-quality hair. From luxurious bundles to closures, frontals, and wigs, each piece is crafted to meet the highest standards. These aren't just hair products. They're your crown, made to help you look and feel radiant. At Universal Hair 2. Excel, we understand that hair loss can be a challenging journey. For women dealing with thinning hair, hair loss, or just wanting a change, we're here to help you feel empowered, beautiful, and confident. Get ready for the ultimate hair transformation. Mark your calendar for November 8th, and let's embrace a new era of beauty together.